Hello and welcome to not the EMP Tech Group. Welcome to one of our customer sites. If you're in the tech services group at EMP, you spend a lot of time in places like this. And this is one of our longtime really great customers. We've done mobile computing here. We've done printers, we've done wireless networking, and we are in a warehouse of theirs. It's an expansion that was supposed to be temporary, but it's kind of turned out to be permanent. And you'll see George Hopper, one of our great guys up there, getting ready to install a wireless access point. So George, tell us what you're doing up there.
Sure. So today we're installing 8 access points. They are an Extreme Network brand of access point. Not only are we hanging the access points on boards that we made here or back at the shop, we're also running all the network cabling for all. We're also running fiber between the switch and the firewall to our own IDF that we're going to install up here in the ceiling. And that's going to house the PoE switch to power all the APs, and then the fiber link to get back to the firewall.
I see you got Central 6 in your hand there, George, right?
I do, Central 6.
You can read that because that's one of the things we do is to put those big placards on there so you can identify that. The ceilings aren't crazy high in this place. They're maybe 30 feet, but
Yeah,
sometimes they're even higher than this.
Yeah.
And then George, next week you're back with the same lift, and we're going to install, I don't know, a couple hundred sign locations with big barcodes and human readable and all that in here, right?
Correct. We're going to hang them up here at the ceiling height, and their scanners they have will actually scan those and read them and get everything back.
I remember 10 years ago with this customer, we did the same thing in their other warehouse, and we did testing with the long-range imager to make sure that we could indeed read the barcodes all the way up at ceiling height there, because as you can see, everything is pretty well pallet floor loaded here at this facility. So ceiling placards with the locations is definitely the way to go. So welcome to another day in the life of George and the Tech Services Group up on a cherry picker, putting wireless access points in, getting ready to hang some warehouse signage. The kind of stuff we do every day at the EMP Tech Group. EMPTechGroup.com, always the best place to get us.